All right, guys, it is Sunday. Just got back from Texas, made it in here to Illinois to the house. We're just getting unpacked, getting unloaded, kind of cleaning my vest out, doing some things, and sitting here. And I don't know if y'all can see it on this GoPro, but way back here in the field, there's a group of turkeys. There's 6 of them back there, but we're here for the week. Gonna try to get 2 birds. Texas proved to be hard, but we got it done. Got 1 in the bag. Should have had a few more, but hey, that's hunting. So we're in Illinois this week. Y'all go with us. We're gonna get started in the morning on our favorite ridgetop. So we'll see you guys in the morning. All right, so Keegan's up to bat now. We're in Illinois, youth season, Turkey 2025, and we're gonna see if we can get it done here in the great state of Illinois. All right, so we got a big group of Jakes that we've started calling, and they're responding, and we know they're coming, so Keegan, get ready. More than 2 turkeys out there. There was 5 or 6 out there. You pay attention to the turkeys and quit. What are you doing? What are you doing? Getting footage. Trying to get You gotta get down on that thing. It's right on it. Can you see that one way out there? Yeah. Bust at him. You damn if you get a shot.
I missed 3 times.
4.
Oh, no, 3. I only had 3 in my darn thing. Oh,
you shot $70 worth of shells.
That's why I like deer hunting.
All right, Keegan, tough break, man. You missed that bird a couple times, 3, 4 times, I think it was. But hey, that's all right, man. We do it. It happens. And we're not going to give up. We're going to keep our nose down. We're going to keep on plucking away at it. So fast forward, Keegan's turkey hunt's over. Youth season's come and went. We were not successful, but it's my turn now. We're going to get in the woods and see if I can't get it done with my season tag.
So this year has been a struggle bus for me to get a big tom into gun range. Not had very much luck with it, so we're gonna have to probably settle for whatever we can get and fill a tag. So here we go. One of them big jakes Keegan missed, they about to have a bad day.
All right, everybody, good morning. Good morning. It is Wednesday. I think it's April 16th. But it's our third day here in Illinois. It's been a tough hunt for me. What usually is just pick the one you want has turned into not a good number of hunt. Yesterday evening I did see quite a few gobblers out in fields, so give me some inspiration at least. I've not heard a bird gobble this morning yet, so. But last night we put one to bed, where we think at least, as long as he didn't go super far the other way. But we're gonna sit here and watch this field and hoping something gobbles in the tree that they usually roost in here pretty soon, so y'all stick with me. All right, guys, what a hunt this morning. Started out really slow. This week has been very, very tough. We've had not a lot of opportunities on many birds in general, but especially big adult birds. They've just been in different places that we can't hunt. But this one here, he fit the mold. He came in gobbling, came in doing his thing. He's got maybe a 7 or 8 inch beard. I almost thought he was a jake, and he may be like a big jake, but he got a pretty full fan. Gobbled his head off, played the part, and I say it to my kid, I say it to you. If he gobbles like a man, he can go down like a man, so can't beat it. This Newcomb ground blind, it played a big part in this hunt. Easy to sit behind and hide. These turkeys, I had to rearrange and adjust and rearrange and adjust, and I got away with a lot of movement because of this ground blind here. So you guys check them out at Newcomb Hunting. But anyway, that's a wrap for Illinois. This is my season 2. I do have a landowner permit, so we're going to try to get that done maybe in the morning. So you guys stick with us, and thanks for watching Nose Down Nation TV.
All right, guys, that's a wrap for 2025 Illinois turkey season. We appreciate you coming along. Tough break for Keegan. I got a big Jake. We had a great time, though, nonetheless. And remember, guys, as I always tell you, keep your nose down and stay in the woods and take a kid hunting when you can. See you guys.